struggling to speak English confidently? You're not alone. Many face the challenge of hesitation, feeling lost in endless recorded lectures and crowded classes. Imagine transforming that doubt into natural, confident conversation. With Simply English, you get a personal English trainer who understands your unique needs. Enjoy one-to-one live practice that puts you at ease, focusing solely on perfecting the art of communication. Experience dynamic conversations, immediate feedback, and tailored guidance that motivates you to keep improving. Whether you're a student, a working professional, or juggling daily responsibilities, discover a new approach to speaking fluently and confidently. Every session is crafted to break barriers and ignite your potential, enabling focused practice that accelerates learning and instills unwavering confidence. Transform hesitation into empowerment. Join thousands who trust SimpliEnglish.com. Start your journey to better English today.